What's going on, guys? We're gonna do some Tiki Fire today with a massive grand and a massive major. All right, let's get started. I got 2,000 in. Let's start with $50 spins. So we need 6 of those lava balls. 2 more? No. Or 3 of the, there you go, those volcanoes. Come on, baby. Which one do you want to give me, that major or that grand? Come on, Tiki. Wow, so many dead spins. What's going on, Tiki? Tiki. Wake up, baby.
What's up, Mr. Mike?
Good morning, brother. How are you?
How are you?
I need coffee.
Yeah.
We're at Cosmo. I just came down. Bomba just, oh, he's been down there.
I'm an early bird, bro.
Yeah, so am I. It's 11:20. That's early.
Down here since 4 a.m.
No way. Wow.
Kidding.
Oh, all right. Come on, Tiki.
Yeah, I hate Tiki.
Seriously, what's going on with her?
I hate Tiki, bro. Tiki and Hard Drop are my kryptonite.
Let's go to 50 cent. Let's try some 37.50 spins. Actually, I love Hard Drop, bro. It's been so good to me. Really? Wake up, Tiki.
Golden Century was good.
Yeah.
I think Ross was the guy all back. And these ones too.
So far, Tiki's terrible. I'm not even getting line hits.
Yeah.
Come on. Thank you. Let's try another 2, guys. Why isn't that going in? Come on. Alright, let's continue the same way for now. Come on, Tiki. Well, let's go back to dollar. Let's go with $50 spins. Wow, Tiki. All right. It's the first line hit. Well, decent line hit. Why is Tiki being a bad girl? Come on. This is terrible. Let's try some 10 cent. Let's go with $50 max bets. Wow, Tiki, this is unbelievable. Let's try 25 cent, 37.50. Wow. Insane. I want to try one more on this. All right, guys, last one. Let's go. You know what? I'm gonna do 62.50 and 37.50 cents. Tiki is not budging at all. During a bonus, that would be massive. 8.56, all right. I need that during the bonus. Can you imagine? All right, looks like 62.50 spins are working the best. So let's stick to that for now. Come on, Tiki. Can we see a bonus? There we go, finally. Mini is 250 each. Let's get that major, baby. We need a nice comeback. Come on, baby. Minor, major. Okay. Grand. That's right, we forgot about the grand. Come on, save it, baby, right here. Nope. I forgot to activate my fast pay. Not bad, guys. 21, 25. So I didn't activate my fast pay. I just got down. So let me get this activated and I'll be right back, guys. Alright, guys. Just got our 21, 25. Let me stick that in. Alright, let's go. Let's continue the same way. A few backup spins here. Nice, 231. Come on, baby.
How do you guys get a host of your lives?
I'm just recording, not live, but
There's a little office there. You can get one there.
usually you're assigned one, though. They'll assign you one.
Because I have Emily,
Oh yeah.
that's why I go over there. But I'm trying to get a card or something. And they don't.
So weird.
Hi, how are you?
Come on, baby. Let's try some dollar again. Let's go $50 spin. There you go, Bomba. Come on, Tiki. Why is Tiki being so terrible today? There we go. Finally, Tiki. Let's go, baby. We need a nice comeback here. Come on. Come on, baby. Bunch of multipliers. Last spin. Let's go. Terrible. 686. Is Garo getting the grand? Come on. They didn't do it? No. Come on, Tiki. Do a couple fast ones here. Wake up, Tiki. That would be nice. Let's try a few $75 spins. Let's see if that changes anything. Come on. One more. Wake up, Tiki. Come on. Terrible. keep getting these 2 triggers and 4 and 5 lava balls. Just not connecting. Alright, let's go to active 10 cent and $50 max bets. Come on. This is crazy. The best paying one was quarters. Let's go back to quarters. And 62.50 spends. Oh man. Nope, Tiki is no good for us today, guys. This was terrible. Come on. I want to try the dollar again. Alright, I'm gonna try dollar one more time. Let's go. This dollar's gotta end up paying off. Can't be this bad. Come on, Tiki. This is my last chance with you. And I'm not gonna play you for a long time. Can we find smaller numbers? Alright. A little better at least. Come on, something with letters. Come on. Alright. Baby jackpot. My fast pace should be working now. There we go. Let's go. We need a lot more than that, Tiki. Come on. This and the bonus, that's what we need in a bonus. Can you imagine? It would be what? 20, 30K? Wow, what a nice line hit though. That would be huge in a bonus. Oh my god. What more? No. Come on, baby. We need a nice comeback from you. It looks like you're waking up at least. Looks like it. Let's see. Alright, let's do a couple fast spins. Come on, Tiki. Looks like you took a nap again. No napping while you're at work. Come on. Come on. Alright, we got the bonus. Come back, Patty. Come on. Let's do it, baby. We need a lot of multipliers. Really? Worst bonus of 2022, 2023, 2024. That was a $10 hit, guys. Can you imagine?
Shameful.
Oh my god. That was disgusting. You know what? I'm gonna go back to 10 cents. And $50 max bet. Come on. This game is starting to annoy me really bad. Alright, that's huge. 1,055. up, Tiki. Seriously, wake up. No, seriously. Wow, Tiki. I am about to leave Tiki. Alright, one more dinam and I'm done with this game. 62.50 spins. Come on. Wow. Tiki is unbelievable. I don't know why I'm still on this machine, but seriously unbelievable. One more. You know what, guys? I'm gonna move. Let's go try some Happy Lantern. Couple more spins and we're leaving. All right, 2 more spins. This game is trash. Let's go. Good luck, brother. Oh, I'm going. That's what I was like, I'm out of here. Good luck, brother. Bomba just got it. Look at that. But I'm not gonna show you guys what he gets. Hey, brother. Good. How you doing? Thank you. Appreciate you. Actually, let's go to Golden Century, guys. Oh, it's out of service. No, let's go to Happy Lantern. Alright, let's try this guy. Those are the progressives. Let's go with $50 spins. We need 3 of these guys or 6 of the balls. Lanterns, balls, whatever, same thing. Come on, Happy Lantern. Tiki just destroyed me. There we go, nice. Left or right? Let's go. Okay. Thanks, man. I appreciate you. Come on, Happy Lantern. 136. Come on, baby. Alright, let's switch it up, guys. Let's try 10 cent. $50 max max. Come on. Absolutely terrible, guys. One of my worst sessions I've ever had. Alright, guys, that's gonna do it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow.